We also like to look at a function as a set of ordered pairs, because an ordered pair is usually an x value followed by a y value, and then that's something that we would maybe then go and graph when we get to graphing. But the first part of the ordered pair is always an x value, and the second part of the ordered pair is always a y value. So it's like your domain and your range, or your input and your output. So remember that the rule for functions is that you cannot have an x that's paired with more than one y. So in other words, the x values cannot repeat. If you have a repeated x value, it is not a function. So it only takes a couple seconds to look at a list of ordered pairs and tell if you have a function or not. Just look at all the points and see if you have a repeated x. So we have, like, remember, it's xy, xy, xy. All these ordered pairs are xy. So the x's that are used, 1, 1, 2, and 3. And right there you can see it. That x value got repeated. So this is not going to be a function. But you can also draw an arrow diagram if that helps. So maybe you would rather see it this way. So you call this x and y, or domain and range, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm just going to make a quick little table here. 1, 2, and 3 are the only values that are used as x values, right? 1, 2, and 3. The only y values that are used are 2, 3, and 4. So let's draw some arrows here and see what's up. 1 is paired with 2. 1 is also paired with 3, and right there, there's the problem. And then 2 is paired with 3. 3 is paired with 4. The problem is that guy right there that has 2 arrows shooting out of him. You cannot have an x that repeats. So let's look at this one. The points are 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 4. So look at the x's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do any of them repeat? No. This is a function. It's that simple. And if you wanted to do a little arrow diagram or whatever with your x's and y's, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the x's. The only y's are 0 and 4. So 1 goes to 0, 2 goes to 0, 3 goes to 0. Oh, 0 is very popular, right? And then 4 goes to 4. But 1, 2, 3, and 4 all only have one arrow coming out of them. So we're good to go. That one is a function. There are no repeated x values.